Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Outdoor Guy 365. So, if you've seen that I've changed out the spark plug, and you've also seen that I changed up the auger belt for the Toro Power Clear 821 QZE, now we're gonna get it all set and ready and show you that it will fire up and that it will run and that it does pull me along like this beast of a machine does. So let's get ready, folks. So let's take it away. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and I've got it on the choke. So let's get this thing fired up and see how it does. Okay, pull 1, pull 2. Okay, maybe we gotta give it a little bit more fuel. Come on, machine, we can do this. Alright, let's try putting it about half, little bit. And as you can see, it fired up fairly easily with the new plug. It also pulled me along with me just using a finger or two for tension and for holding the auger engagement handle. So I would say this is a definite fix and it's good to go. This again is the Toro 821 QZE. This is the Power Clear with Power Propel, and it does power and propel me down the driveway and up the driveway. You do have to push a little up the driveway because I am on a small incline, little hill. No big deal, but I'm ready for winter, guys. Are you guys ready? Get your stuff done. Take a look at my videos. It'll get you where you need to go. So, all right, YouTube. Talk to you later. This has been a demonstration of the repair and the service and that everything worked how it should. So this has been Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with this great video. Talk to you later, YouTube. Bye-bye.